Here's our Phalanx cordless rotary tool. This is a 70-piece accessory tool right here. This product was sent to me by the brand, and this is a paid sponsored video. We're gonna open this up and see what's inside of it. A user manual, a charging cable. I don't see a charging block. Here are all of your little accessories in this little case, which is cool. This right here is your actual rotary tool. This is a 3.7 volt rotary tool. This can go anywhere from 5,000 to 20,000 RPMs. Just hold this button down and it's gonna start spinning. Now this is a really quiet rotary tool. Check this out. It also has a light on it, on the end of it. It's got one setting. There's 4 settings. There's the high speed, back to 1. That's your lower 5,000 RPM, and the 5 is gonna be your 20,000 RPM. This right here is an indication of how charged this tool is. So right now it looks like it's charged, not completely full, but almost. The speed defaults to 3, but let's say you have it on 1 and then you turn it back on within the 5-minute span, it's gonna come back to the 1. Here are the different accessories in it. You've got little drill bits, you got little sanding bits right here, you've got discs to sand and file. Got polishing tools like right there, like if you need to buff something out. Got cutting tools, which you see right down in there. So this has a lot of accessories that you can use. Okay, once you loosen this, now you don't want to take this all the way off, you just want to loosen this. Keep this button held down right here. Take this little thing, put it down inside of there. Hold this button down again. And tighten that down. Just take this little wrench here and use this to tighten it, which I went the wrong way there. Use this little wrench to tighten it. So there we go. We got pretty tight. Now, then you take, let's say maybe you have a sanding tool you want to use. Take this little sanding thing, put it over it, and now we're in business. We can start sanding stuff now. Pretty cool. You can use this to file down your dog nails. You can use this to cut pieces of wood. You can use this like if you have a pine wood derby type thing going on. You can use this to sand small things. So anything you can use this rotary tool for, it's right here. And this is how you use it with 5 different speeds. And if you have questions about what each one of these do, I highly recommend consulting the user manual. So the user manual should tell you what each one of these pieces do. And that is the Phalanx cordless rotary tool. It's got a nice rubber grip on it right here. It's actually very ergonomical, which I do like.